HVAC systems. Is the heating and cooling system running smoothly? An HVAC system in bad shape can send buyers running, especially in areas where there's extreme weather. So keep it clean and serviced. It's worth it. You spend $250, $300 to get it clean and serviced. That can save you potentially thousands of dollars that the buyer's going to ask as a concession during the home inspection. Mold and water damage. This is a sneaky one. Inspectors will look for water stains or signs of mold on walls, ceilings, and floors. If they find mold, it's a health hazard and a serious turnoff to buyers. Don't forget to check for more hidden areas like the attic and roof. Good inspectors will inspect those areas for mold, and they're often ignored by home sellers, so don't get surprised.